Good morning. Today is going to be that day of change we've been talking about. Yesterday was so beautiful. We got into the 70s and now, well, we're running about 20 degrees below that for our highs for today. So it's going to be chilly compared to yesterday. We've got the wind that's already moving some of those flags. This is in the Southern Valley, still getting some south wind at the Dakota Magic Casino, but that will be changing and the wind will be getting stronger. That would be the only factor affecting travel here this morning. So I've got some green lights here this morning through the afternoon. Just be aware that we'll have that north wind. So if you're driving on one of those east-west roadways, you might have to hang onto that or that steering wheel a little bit tighter here. And more clouds coming our way as well for later today. So here's a look at that wind. Southern Valley again, it's not so bad in the south, but as we head into the Northern Valley, the cold front's already moved through there, and we're looking at some temperatures that are going to be either dropping or not going up at all in this area today because of this chilling wind. 36 degrees right now in the Langdon area. It's 35 currently in Devil's Lake, 31 in Hallock, and a gust to 28 miles per hour in Grand Forks, just to start off in the morning hours. So we're going to see this just continue to make its way southward as that cold front moves through. The rest of us, it'll be last to move through in the south and east. So you'll get to hold on to some milder temperatures a little bit longer. Here's a look at our numbers right now. It's 46 degrees in Fargo, 49 in Grand Forks, a couple of spots in the east still into the 50s. It's 52 in Detroit Lakes and Hallock at 52 degrees. Here's a look at your radar and satellite map. We don't have any rain to show you. This front is not going to bring about precipitation here. We're just looking at some cloud cover affecting us here with this one and the wind shift as well. And then we're looking farther south and west for our next system that will have some impacts on us. It's mainly going to pass to our south, and we're going to show you that track coming up here. But for today, here's the front. It's going to continue to make its way through this morning. Behind it, you can see these strong wind arrows moving from north to south, and we'll have those winds picking up for Fargo probably into the late morning hours and into the afternoon, and gradually that will continue to the east as the front continues to move through. We'll also have some mostly cloudy skies behind this as those clouds fill in. Ahead of it, temperatures may be pretty mild in places like Fergus Falls and Wadena. Those are places that will see that colder air move in last. The rest of us, again, pretty chilly, some 40s to some 50s, at least compared to yesterday, with those stronger gusts continuing behind the front. This evening, mostly cloudy in most areas, but along the border to the northwest, especially where we clear out, once that sun goes down, we could see some frigid temperatures overnight. We're looking at some numbers back down into that freezing range for you. The rest of us under the clouds, keeping a little milder. We'll be watching for some rain to the south, that system I was telling you about here. So I'm widening the view. We're looking at the 7 o'clock hour tomorrow morning, and you can see it's pretty big, pretty impressive here with snow in western parts of South Dakota. And moving into the day, we'll have some of this rain approach the Southern Valley, especially our South Dakota counties, and right along that state line area. And that will continue to affect some of our viewers in the south, and potentially, you see that pink area there, a little bit of mixing where we see a flake or two mixed in with that rain. Not impactful, but still we may see our first flake or two for the season in that area. Most places either will be quiet up in the Northern Valley where we don't get the rain, or getting rain in the Southern Valley. Here's a look at your 7-day planner. So Thursday, that first alert weather day, for the potential for a hard freeze. It's looking pretty likely here that we're going to see those temperatures drop below freezing, not only Thursday morning, but Friday and into Saturday.
Chilly stretch ahead.
Colder
You know,
weather,
we're like the end of October now. So.
Exactly. Our average low is 34 degrees. So we've been way above that for some time.
Thank you, Lisa.